Alright guys, this is our paleo point sheet. So it's a little bit different than what's in the quick guide that I sent you. We're going to have all 10 of our weeks here. You can print them off or you can save it all on your computer in Excel. I'll send you a PDF version also. But there will be points for sleep, for workouts, for mobility, for not eating dairy, sugar, gluten, and alcohol. So we have a key down here, the points key, and you can see I have this week 2 all filled out with like a perfect score. Or actually, I put in a couple little things in here. We'll explain those though. Getting 7+ hours of sleep, that's going to give us a point. The WOD, 5 points each time that we do a WOD. Even if you don't come to the gym, we can still do like a workout at home. On our website, if you go to phdcrossfit.com, the bottom right hand side, you'll see a link that says bodyweight WODs. I think there's 70 or 80 on there. So we can pick from there, or we can make one up. You guys have done a decent amount of WODs, so 100 squats per time, something like that. We can do that at home too if we need to. Same thing with mobility. We get 1 point for that. 2 points there. Look at our key. Same for dairy, sugar, and gluten. So dairy, the only thing that we are going to allow actually is going to be, we do allow butter and ghee, like clarified butter, and eggs. Sometimes people categorize those all together. Sugar, we're going to be reading labels. So if it says dextrose, high fructose corn syrup, all those types of things, anything that ends with OSE, and I'll send you guys a couple sheets on that. We're going to make sure we read those. If you pick something up though and it's got a huge list and it's all tiny writing, I don't waste my time reading those anymore. Just drop those. Try to get rid of that stuff. Gluten, we get no gluten's 3 points, and then alcohol's 2 points. Now alcohol is the only one that we can actually go negative in. So we see here on Thursday I have a -2. So we start off with 2 points, right? So say that we have 2 drinks or 2 beers, that's going to 0. So that would take me to 14. And this auto calculates if you use it in Excel. Say I have 4 beers or 4 drinks, then we're going to go -2. So 2 gets us down to 0, 2 more, that takes us to -2. So I've had people go up to like -8 in a challenge before. So we'll try not to do that. But we see this other Sunday, I have all 0s. That's our cheat day. We'll call it a cheat day, just for simplicity. So that's the day that we're just not going to record points on. Now that can be any day for you, whichever one. Sometimes a day will present itself that will end up being your cheat day, that's fine. Otherwise, if you want to keep track of all of your points on there, that's fine. And I'll just look for the day that has the lowest amount and we'll count that as your cheat. So here's our reminders. We'll have cheat day that one day. The WOD points max out at 30, which means 6 times 30. So if we got them 3 times at home, 3 times at the gym, whatever it is, we'll try to keep that up to get those points. So we could either get 5 points each time, so those are valuable. Same deal, we can work out at home, we can stretch at home. If we're stretching, try to get in a good 5 minutes of mobility. 5-10 minutes, even at home, that'll be good. You do need to email me or take a picture of it, email me that point sheet, or you can print it off and bring it into the gym, make sure your name's on it though. If you do that, you can leave it on the speaker for us, and we'll make sure we take care of that. Alright, we recommend fish oil. We're not going to record or deduct points for taking fish oil, but I do recommend it. It's going to help out with a lot of things. One of the main things is going to be for joints. Inflammation of the joints is a big deal. So that'll be something to play around with if you've not done much of it. I recommend the liquid, and I'll send you guys a link for that. Other than that, you'll have all the rest of your weeks here. So you can print all this off, or you can use it on Excel. And yeah, that's about it. Other than that, I'll have some other stuff for you guys, but I just wanted to do a quick run through of the point sheet and make sure you guys feel okay on that. Alright, get started tomorrow.